Hi! The Ecoperla Vita water softeners are dedicated to those who are looking for a high-quality device at the affordable price. This series of softeners is also a good choice for households with limited space for installation and for flats. The devices do not generate high operating costs, they look stylish and are comfortable to use. If you are curious about the details, watch the video. Ecoperla Vita is a water softener in the unusual elegant black housing. The device is available in two variants, 12-liter one and 25-liter one. The housing is made of robust plastic, resistant to mechanical damage. Ecoperla Vita water softeners take up little space, they are narrow and can easily fit into small recesses. The only difference between the two versions is their height and medium capacity. Thanks to different sizes, everyone can choose the right water softener for the desired output and water consumption. Ecoperla Vita 12 is a perfect solution for flats or facilities with limited installation space for a water softener, while Ecoperla Vita 25 is more suitable for larger households or locations with very hard water. The cylinders are filled with the high-quality Monosphere ion exchange resin. The use of Monosphere resin in comparison to Polysphere 1 gives much better softening effects. All particles of the medium have the same size, so the flowing water is filtered in exactly the same way over the entire surface of the bed. In addition, Monosphere resin has a longer operating life and needs less regenerant, which affects subsequent operating costs. On top of the housing, there is a removable semi-transparent cover which protects the control valve. The salt container has a large opening located so that refilling salt is extremely easy. Another convenience is a maximum salt level indicator created through profiling the housing. Both Ecoperla Vita models are equipped with the control valve from American Clack, a pioneer among manufacturers of control valves for water treatment systems. The controller allows for automatic regeneration of the medium after filtering a specified amount of water. The valve is programmed only once, during decommissioning. Later on, the only thing that needs to be done is to replenish tablet salt. Another advantage is a mixer built into the valve, which allows for adjustment of the output water hardness. The devices are equipped with the innovative Ecoperla Perfect system developed by Ecoperla engineers for cabinet water softeners. This is a system of optimum valve settings which consist, among others, of the regeneration stages times and the amount of water and salt needed for regeneration. Thanks to that, the operating life of the device is significantly extended, the failure rate is minimized, and the devices are extremely economical. Combination of this system with the counterflow ensures thorough regeneration of the medium with a relatively low consumption of brine solution. As a standard, the box includes an instruction manual in English as well as a detailed installation diagram. Thanks to this, installation of the water softener is trouble-free and can be handled by any plumber. Ecoperla Vita is a perfect water softener for small and large households. Both its components and functionality have been carefully thought out. Moreover, thanks to two sizes of the device, everyone can choose the right capacity for their specific needs. Thank you for watching this review. I invite you to follow and subscribe to our channel. If you want to improve the quality of your water or have any additional questions, write at this email address. See you!